Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for today. I'm just Clarisse back again. Because we are literally the only YouTubers we know. But anyways, today we're kicking it back to crafting because I've only done one other video. And we're doing it challenge style because what kind of video would it be if you weren't eating in some way or format. But the competition was we went to the dollar store and we gave ourselves $10 maximum
to get all of our supplies.
Yeah. So me and Clarisse are currently in the dollar store and we are specifically trying to find things to make a craft with, but we have a limit of $10, so we'll see what we make. Clarisse, of what you're gonna make?
This is like a craft thing. I have no idea. Craft bucket. Get all this stuff in your box.
해결책은 있어.
45 liters, 56.
So me and Clarisse both don't know what we're doing, so we're just walking around trying to get some inspiration. And we had zero ideas in there. So
Probably should have looked for inspo
a whole
before.
bunch of random stuff. And we're gonna see how well we can do on making a craft in 15 minutes. So
Shalik's gonna set the timer for us so that we don't go over. Okay, ready?
yep, set, go. I got a whole bunch of nonsense that's sparkly. I actually don't know what I'm doing with this stuff.
I got some stuff that hopefully will make like a message board type thing if it all goes well.
I'm trying to make like a vanity stand, so I can have things to put my stuff on. I didn't even think of how I'm gonna like measure this stuff out.
Oh my god, I just got glitter all over my board. Well, that's lovely. See, that's part of the craft. Okay. Okay, what do I want to do with these pieces of glitter?
I'm already at 13.
Oh my god, we've already wasted 2 minutes. Look how many colors there are, Jesus. I like this peachy color, so I'm gonna use this one. And I like this bright pink, and maybe like there's some blue in there. Oh, there's like 3 different shades of blue. I don't think I'm gonna do this really dark one.
I just realized maybe the worst idea because I'm gonna be so picky about it being lined up perfectly.
Okay. You'll do it.
My intention is to use this after, but I'll be honest, I don't know if I'm gonna use it after. I think you have a better idea going for you.
I feel like I have a good idea. I don't know if my execution is gonna be any good. I'm not the best, artistically speaking.
A ruler would be great, but I didn't get one of those because it's still a project. I literally was like last minute, I was still changing my mind about what I wanted.
Honestly, you think that $10 would go a really long way at the dollar store, but
It also included like supplies in there.
and Dollarama has changed. Like, it's not. There's nothing for $1. It's actually like $1.25.
There's something under, oh, it's that thing, okay. I thought there was like a bead under here or something. It was like bumping up. Oh my god, we're at 11 minutes.
Don't tell me what time we're at. It's gonna stress me out. Yeah, a ruler would be really nice. This is gonna be so uneven and so like, oh my god. Why don't I even try to craft? I have very uneven hands.
Just putting a stuffed adhesive on is taking me a year and a half. Oh my god, this is not the way to go. Oh my god, I got so much more of this thing to cover. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna be doing those side things to go with it. Forget it, it's gonna have to be a little bit bumpy. I can't get it straight. I'm losing so much time.
Again, this will probably look a lot better. It probably was a lot better in my mind than it's going to be in execution. Okay, I tried something. How are we on time?
We're at 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Time goes by so fast.
Okay. This took me so long. I didn't even get every side. I want to take this off. What the heck? We should have opened everything before we started.
But that's part of the challenge.
Oh my god, I only got regular glue. So a little bit of tape action. Well, I didn't know what I was doing, that's the thing. And the regular glue takes so long to dry. So we're using tape. I can't sit there and like hold it up for that long.
Okay, so yeah, this looks a lot better in my mind. You might look at this craft and think, my kindergarten could have done better.
Your kindergarten would have more time.
Okay, I'm gonna try
We're at 4 minutes.
I'm gonna try to do something here. I'm gonna try to like be that girl.
You're gonna be that girl?
I'm gonna try. Oh my god, okay. Well, let me get these on first. So that at the very least I can have all the necessary pieces down.
Why did we give ourselves so little time?
Because we're in a rush.
What the fear?
Oh, please tell me that this will stay. Oh, it did. Oh, frick.
Are you almost done?
No. There's things I want to do, Shalene. So many things.
I'm so little mad. Oh my god. We're kind of wasting precious time taping.
Oh, there's so much glitter. I always do that. I always grab the glitter and then I forget how much I hate glitter because it gets everywhere.
This isn't working.
Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna do
Oh yeah, you wanted to make the ties, didn't you?
this.
Oh, this is awful. Oh my god. This looks awful.
And then we're just gonna start putting pieces down.
I don't know where I was going with
If
this.
anyone asks, I will say that my niece from Ontario made this for me.
Yeah, I'm gonna be like, that's garbage.
I try to be optimistic. Things could turn around. Who knows? Maybe.
Sadness is real.
Maybe I'll look at this and I'll say, oh my gosh, you know what? That's cute.
2 minutes.
Oh my god. No, this is so plain. I need to do something. I need some finesse.
Oh, 30 seconds. Stop. 10 seconds.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't make this look good the whole time. I'm gonna get one shape. Come on.
30 seconds.
Oh no, I don't want that.
Never mind. Okay, so we're done. You don't even make a sound. Oh, my ringtone's off.
Okay. Well, I got glitter on my phone. Does that count as crap? Alright, you ready to reveal?
Oh my god. This looks like crud.
3, 2, 1, reveal!
I barely got a good trace on this. It fell off. Oh my god.
You know what? It's classy. I like it. It looks like a rich lady
Did it? Does it?
for her jewels.
Oh my god.
This is supposed to be a message board. Do I get points for color?
You get points that I can stick on something.
Well, we'll see. Hold on. There's actually a mic. You ready? Moment of truth.
I'll let you guys vote in the comments below. Who won? Me or Clarisse? Mine literally is falling apart as I'm holding it up.
Mine sticks things sometimes. I really do want a message board. So
Yeah, and I do want a tray. I think I might buy one.
yeah, I might buy a better one than this. But hey!
At least you tried. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. and it entertained you as much as it stressed us out.
Oh, and we are going to be doing a video over on my channel, so you can check that out. It's going to be a different challenge, but just as creative and colorful.
And probably just as challenging. But anyways, guys, thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!